In an amazing step toward countries working together all around the world, even though they might not always agree, they decide to unite for a common goal. This incredible act of togetherness is truly remarkable. It's like they're building something extraordinary using their creativity and skills that's never been done before. With a strong commitment, they set out to create a wonderful artificial island. This island stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collaboration. This big idea, called Harmony Haven, shines like a light of hope in a world looking for ways to agree and understand each other. The island is put in the middle of the main parts of the world, so it's easy for people from everywhere to reach. This island paradise envisions a world without borders, where individuals can unite and exchange their unique cultural traditions. The concept is that individuals from any nation, regardless of their background, can come together to share experiences. It's about establishing an inclusive environment that unites everyone. This island belongs to humanity, so there's no need for visas or travel permits, it's open to all. However, there are some guidelines to ensure harmony, which will be explained in this video. Harmony Haven is a place of fun and excitement. It has beautiful beaches, comfy hotels, tasty restaurants, charming parks, and a bunch of other cool things. Everything is designed to look modern and awesome. The main aim is to make sure you have an amazing and unforgettable experience when you're there. Right in the middle of Harmony Haven's core idea is its big reason, to be more than just a fun place, but a thing that makes the whole world change. The island's plan puts together ways of being friendly to the earth and really new technology. It's like a model for how we can live in a way that's good for the planet and grow in a way that's smart. As the building work goes on, the island turns into a place for new ideas and clever thinking. Every country brings what they're really good at, adding a bit of their own style to the island's design. From amazing buildings to breathtaking views, Harmony Haven shows how great people can make things when they all want the same amazing thing. Artificial intelligence weaves seamlessly through the island. It helps make everything on the island work together well. Almost all the island's workers are remarkably skilled and sophisticated robots, designed to communicate with visitors in their preferred languages, so there's no problem understanding each other. Harmony Haven can hold about 100,000 people at once, making it feel cozy and friendly. The way it's built helps take care of the environment. It uses the sun's energy and electric vehicles, showing how much it cares about nature. On Harmony Haven Island, they follow a special rule where only a tiny part, just 1%, of the people visiting can be from the same country at the same time. This unique idea brings together folks from different places, speaking different languages, and having their own ways of doing things. This makes the island a lively blend of different people. They really want to keep the island special and let people share and learn from each other. They've got a plan to give everyone a chance to visit the island. People can only stay on the island for 1 week every 2 years. This way, everyone can enjoy the island and discover different cultures. But what sets Harmony Haven apart from typical entertainment destinations is its thoughtful and charitable approach. When people come to the island, they receive a special digital card linked to their identification, which they use to pay for things while they're there. When it's time to leave, the money they spent gets doubled, and this doubled amount goes to support impoverished countries and charities worldwide. So, the more visitors spend, the more they contribute to helping those in need. Furthermore, the island will adopt Bitcoin, BTC, as its primary currency, ensuring independence from supporting other currencies. At Harmony Haven, traveling alone is suggested when going to the island. This gives folks the chance to talk to new people and share their stories. They can become friends easily this way. If someone comes with their friends or family, they might stick to themselves and not communicate with others as much. So, going solo is a good way to make friends and sharing experiences. Imagine the island's grand opening as the beginning of a fresh and exciting time. It's like the start of many new possibilities. This makes people want to work together for the world's good. Harmony Haven becomes a busy place where different cultures mix, and people share their knowledge. Everyone comes together for a big reason, and it feels like we're all part of one big family. I'm sorry to say, but this island story isn't real. It's something I imagined. But it's got a wish in it that maybe something like it could happen in the future. What do you think? Could that really happen? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.